Hello students, this is the video of sound and pronunciation. So here I am going to teach you and tell you how it is pronounced of some of the words and what is the sound of the some of the words. So words like verbs like regular verbs. So first of all I am telling you what is the meaning of regular verbs. Regular verbs are those whose past and past participle are formed by adding d or ed to the end of the verbs. Generally, the general rule is to regular verb formed to past tense by adding ed. So here some regular verbs with the ending ed pronounced t. जब किसी रेगुलर वर्ब्स के अंत में ईडी आता है तो उसको हम टी में प्रोनाउंस करते हैं. सो हियर आई एम गोइंग टू डू इन द बुक, इन योर बुक, जस्ट सी. Let's look at the pronunciation of some ed words from the poem. Like chanced, the first is ch, chair, chair, ch. The second is a sound, the third is n sound, the fourth is s sound, and the last is ed as in the t, but the sound will become, when you pronounce that time it will come t sound, though it is ed but it will come in the t sound. So just see jumped. Like J, the sound is J, U, the sound is U, as in U, M as in map, P as in pen, and ED as in take. Means J as in jeep, means J sound will be remain here and U sound will be M sound, P sound. But here ED sound will be pronounced T. Like tick, as you pronounce in the tick. Similarly, mist is pronounced as mist and coughed is as coughed. When an ed ending is added to words whose last sound is that of P, K, F, S, SH or CH, the ed ending sound like T in tick, fast, time and take. Means अगर P के लास्ट में आने वाले में ed आता है, K में आता है, F में आता है, S में आता है, SH में आता है, CH के बाद जब ed आता है तो उस ed का साउंड हमारा T में चेंज हो जाता है. I'm moving to the next page. Just see the chart here. Last sound is P. So this is the last sound P. When we are adding, it will be double. So it will be clapped. So though we write clapped, CLAPPED, but the sound is, the pronounce is clapped, not clapped. Similarly, K, PACK, packed, MARK, mark, though when we made it's past tense, packed and marked, but the sound will be packed, marked, not packed, not marked. The right pronunciation is packed and the right pronunciation is marked. Now come F, the ending with F, GH is also F here, and ending with GH, F and adding ED, that will make the past tense. Here also goofed, ending with F, and here is also past tense. Though we write the ed form, but when we pronounce, the pronunciation is laughed. The second one is goofed. Now come S. There is option also miss, pass. So when we make, this is past tense, missed, passed. but the sound is missed and passed, not past. The sound is past. SH, clash, brush, that is clashed and brushed. So the sound is clashed and the brushed. Brushed. CH, when the word is ending with CH, match and clutch. So the past tense is matched, we add ed, clutched, but the sound is matched and clutched. So here I am going to solve your lesson. C number. Circle the word in which the ed ending has a T sound. You have to circle ed ending and the sound is T. Like cropped. Just see the first one, P. This is P, but here also P. And if you make pass, that ed will be add. So the sound is cropped. So I am going to circle this one. This sound is cropped. Gaze will be not. Roamed, no. Leaked. So come to the leaked, because just go K, make it past tense. This is also the past tense. So sound will come licked. Sound is licked. Now come hushed. This also come because ending with sh, and when it comes in the past tense, ed will be add, then hushed. The sound is hushed. Chafed, you just underline it, circle it. Tossed, then this is rocket, rocked, this will not come. Climbed, and that will come pitched. Logged, crust, that is crust will come because ending with the sh and ed is there, the sound will be crust. Coached, this is also coached. Ripped, because double P is coming, so that will be ripped. And filed, that will remain as usual. Question number C2. Find 3 words each that end in the sound show in the table. Then write their ed form and read them aloud correctly. So sound P, you have to find 3 words and write their ed form here and then speak. So I am going to do it. You also do in your book. The first one is stopped. Stop, I have written the past tense as STOPPED. The sound is stopped. Second number is drop. DROP, drop. That will be dropped. DROPPED, dropped. The sound is dropped. The third is help. The past is helped. Though we are adding ed after this, the sound will helped. Okay, the K sound come here. First one is work. The past tense worked. The sound is worked. The second is cook. The third is walk. That will be cooked. And walked. Though we write ed, walked, cooked and walked, but the sound is walked, cooked and walked. Now move to the next page. Here sh, the first one is sh. So I am just writing here wash, then washed. push, pushed, finish, finish. The C, SH is coming, after SH, ED is also coming. The sound is washed, pushed and finished. F come here,